Meaning of door knocker.
Door knocker.
Door knocker.
Door knocker.
Door knocker. A door knocker is a decorative device attached to a door for people to knock on when they want to announce their presence. It is often made of metal and shaped like a ring, a hand, or an animal head. The loud sound produced by the knocker hitting against the door is intended to get the attention of those inside. Door knockers have been used for centuries and are still popular today, both for practical and aesthetic reasons. They are a charming addition to any home or building, and can be found in a wide variety of styles and designs.